Welcome everyone. Welcome back to Belinda's Country Living. Today is what I call a me day. It's been gloomy outdoors. It's been raining most of the day here in Indiana. So I've got the house to myself, no grandkids, no nothing. So as you can see, I just slapped on a apron and I'm still in my comfy clothes, as some would call it, PJs, and I'm doing a video of cucumbers, onion, and tomato salad. This is a very quick and easy, simple recipe, and it's very delicious. Now, in my bowl here, I've already got most of it prepped, and what I'm using today is 4 medium cucumbers, 1 medium onion, and 2 tomatoes. I've got most of the onions and I got the tomatoes and the cucumbers, most of them already cut up. Now what I like in my salad is I like the cucumbers in little cubes, chunks, bite size. That way you put it in a bowl and eat it with a spoon or whatever. A lot of you out there's so many variations of this salad. They'll use slices, wedges. You do it however you like it. But this is how I do it in my kitchen. And if you don't like it, then I don't know. Then don't watch. Anyway, so I did save 1 cucumber for y'all to see how I do this. And if you want color, be sure to cut both of the ends off of your cucumber. I got me a little bowl here for the trash to get out of my way. And if you like color in your salad, you could do a stripe method. And here's how you do it. Take your knife, your shredder, and go all the way across with it. And just skip like you're making a stripe. I'll show you this. It's sort of like that. I flip it over, do the other side of the cucumber. It just makes your salad look pretty. You don't have to do this. Just if you like the whole rind, then leave it on. But I, for one, I get heartburn if something's too acidy or anything, so I cut most of it off, just like that. And then I cut the cucumber in half. Separate the 2 half pieces like this. And cut it in half again. So you're going to have 4 pieces. Put them together. And then just cut them in little bitty cubes. I try to be careful with this because I just don't like the noise of banging down on my cutting board. So just lift up your knife and slide it. And that way, if you don't like the noise, you're not going to get it. So, this is how I do it. Hope y'all are having a nice day today. Hope it's not raining and you can get outside and do whatever you have to do outdoors. Now, I like to just run the knife across it, chop it up a little bit finer, just like that. Now I'm going to put it in my bowl. These little things really come in handy for picking up whatever it is. I also like to use this when I'm doing homemade noodles or pastry or whatever, and you can, when you're done, you want to clean up, just run this across your cutting board or your counter and it easy cleanup. Now to the tomato. Like I said, I used 2 tomatoes. Cut the ends off. Discard them. And cut this to however you choose. I'm going to cut the little piece out of that tomato, as you can see right there. You could eat it if you want. It wouldn't hurt you. Use your bigger knife. Now see, these are little wedges. A little bit bigger than what I like. So I'm just going to cut these in cubes. I've had these tomatoes, I believe, about 4 days now in the refrigerator. So I had to do something with them. And so today is one of those days. Like I said, no interruptions. I'm here, just me and my little bitty dog. And this is what I'll eat later. Maybe I'll have a ham sandwich or something to go with this. But this is a time of year everybody's getting their gardens out, and you can make this even in the winter. Them hothouse tomatoes, they're good. Now, let's throw this in there. Now, I have made this before, and I make my own dressing with vinegar and oil and a little bit of sugar. So I got 1 medium onion. I'm going to cut that up. Chop that up as fine as you like it, or as big as you like it. I've seen some where they just cut these in rings, like you're going to have fried onion rings, but I don't like them that big, so I chop mine up. Get that little centerpiece out of there. I use a sweet onion. But this is so good. And the way I'm making this today, I'm also going to use a jar of Italian dressing. Now, I learned this recipe from a 90-year-old woman, and she taught me how to do this about three or 4 years ago. And I loved it so much, I don't make it the old way with vinegar, and because this has got everything in it. It's got water, it's got vegetable oil, vinegar, sugar, salt. It has pepper. So it has all that in there already mixed up for you. And I get this at the dollar store or the Dollar Tree for $1. No mixing of the vinegar. And so just chop your onions up real fine. Slice them up. Dice them up however you choose. It's your kitchen. And this is my kitchen. And this is the way I do it. So, everybody has their own preference. I chop mine up real fine. And when this is all done, you want to put this in the refrigerator and you want to chill it, marinate it for a couple hours, and boy is it good. And it's even better the next day. And there we go, we're done with that. This isn't a long video, so you won't be bored with it. Now let's put that in there. This is going to make a lot, but I'll eat on this. The grandkids won't eat on it. They don't like all that good stuff. You know, the old saying is, clean as you go and you don't have the mess later to clean. So that's why I always keep your little bowl to keep everything there and just throw it in the trash. Okay, look at all of this. I mean, that's a lot. So, yeah, my hands are clean, in case y'all want to know. And I'm just going to get in there and give that a toss around. Y'all will love this. I'm telling you, if you like cucumbers, look how pretty that looks. It's just awesome. Totally good. And it's good for you. Getting all your vitamins and minerals. Now that's tossed and mixed good. Believe it or not, I seen my first hummingbird today. I was standing here at the kitchen window and I got all my hummingbird feeders out, put 5 of them out, and I seen my first bird today. So, I love to see them little hummingbirds. Okay, I've got a half a jar of Italian dressing. Not much. So, just put that in there. That's all there is to it. And I want to make sure I get all that goodness out of there. So I'm going to put just a little bit of water. Wasn't much. Just to shake it around. Get all that out of there. Now I'm going to put my hands back in there again. A lot of you don't like to see people use their hands, but I'm telling you, that's what God give you your hands for. And if you have a problem with that, that's your problem, not mine, because you're not in my kitchen. Well, I guess you really are. You're watching me do this. But you're not going to be here to eat this. So now I want you to look at that. That is just, oh. I always also like to keep a thing of these wipeouts to wipe up after I'm all done. These will really come in handy. So now what you want to do, like I said, I'm in my comfy clothes today, so I didn't even put on my face today. Now you're just going to take it out of your bowl and you're going to transport it into a container. It's going to have a lid on it. There you go. Really, all of you, if you haven't tried this with the Italian dressing, well, you're missing out. Because it is very delicious, very succulent. And you just put it in the refrigerator, let it marinate. I mean, you don't have to add no sugar or anything to this. This is just great. As you can see, look at that. Beautiful. And the striped cucumbers. Okay, that's ready. Well, I want to thank all of you for viewing my video today. Go check out my other videos. I try to post something every Tuesday. But I will tell you one thing. I live out in the country, and my internet is so slow. Yeah, I'm eating that cucumber. My internet is so slow that for a 16-minute video, it takes around 3 hours, 4 hours to upload to YouTube and Facebook. So you can go see me over on Facebook as well. And the channel over there on Facebook is Belinda's Country Cooking. And don't forget, push that subscribe button below, share and comment on my videos, because without you, there wouldn't be a YouTube. And I started this channel because I cook and I do things outdoors. I mow grass, or should I say, this time of year, I'm mowing dandelions because I got thousands of them. And so I named my channel Belinda's Country Living so I could do other things as well and bring them to you. So if you don't subscribe and share my videos, the videos are not going to go anywhere. But I'm still having fun. I think on YouTube you have to have 1,000 subscribers to even try to make a little bit. Facebook, I think you have to have 100 followers. There's a difference. So anyway, again, thank y'all. Appreciate every one of you that are viewing my video. Have a wonderful and a blessed day.